Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. In this video, I would like to introduce you to the newest feature of Instagram application that can make you more mysterious sense and get more message on your DM. So first and ever, you just need to open your Instagram application and don't forget to sign or log in with your account. And the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay into the home section, and then you just need to slide the screen into the right side so that you can access the Instagram story camera. And the next thing you need to do is just go pick the picture that you want to use for Instagram story. I would like to use this one because it looks like aesthetic. Now if you want to hide this picture until someone messaging you, so you just need to tap into this icon, and that could be refill here, so you just need to tap on it, and there could be text right here, so you just need to add the text that you want to use just for the description or the title. And right after you're done, you just need to tap done, and then you just need to place it into the specific area that you want to use it. And right after you're done, you can just go click preview just to check how it will be look like after you post it. And you'll see the picture could be blurry until someone texting you, so they will not gonna access this picture until they send you a message. So right after you agree with that, you just need to post it into your Instagram story and you are done. So that's for this tutorial. It's quite easy and simple. If you still have some questions, just write into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification sections for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.